In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on register or login on Temu. So open Temu like this first, and right now you should go and click here and click sign in and register. So after that, choose how you want to register or sign in. For me, I will choose Google, and I will choose one of my Google account. So I will choose this one, and right now, for example, I already have an account on it. I will change it. So right now, after adding my email, I have to add my phone number. I have to add it here. Next, I will click submit, and they will send me a verification code. I have to write it here. So I will wait for the verification code. So I enter my verification code, and yeah, that's all, guys. I created an account. Don't forget to like and also subscribe, and bye.